Okay, so I just got this today. This is not a bank, it's a toy. It's a game. So there are these little things here that are foods. See, there's garlic and there's pizza and stuff like that. So let me just put this on like that. Okay, and then I'll have to crank it 3 times. 1. Okay, so it ate that. An onion. And you do it however many times according to what's on the thing there. So let's try pizza. And this is a game, so basically when the game is over and whoever he burped on lost the game. Okay. The ears come off. Okay. Let's try.
There was so much drinks I had even to burp. Wanna play again to drink? Feed with us?